Hey YouTube, it's Nayam Nappy and I'm back doing my DIY face moisturizer recipe that you guys requested in my skincare video up here. So let's not waste any time and jump into this video. So for this recipe, you're going to need shea butter, mango butter, glycerin, some type of Ayurvedic oil, and aloe vera. So we'll begin with the shea butter. Weigh out 39.74 grams of shea butter. Next, weigh out 12.06 grams of mango butter. Finally, weigh out 14.55 grams of your Ayurvedic oil. If you're looking to purchase one, you can purchase mine in the link down below. Don't forget to weigh out 13.34 grams of BTMS and set it to the side. Now we're going to go in with our water phase. We're going to begin with an aloe vera leaf. We're going to use about half of the leaf, cut it down into sections, cut down the sides, split it in half, and then scoop it into my blender. You're going to go ahead and blend it and then strain out the aloe vera and then weigh out 85 grams of aloe vera. Five grams of glycerin, and then fill the remaining jar up with 95 grams of distilled water. Now your water phase is completed, and let's go ahead and go to the stove to heat this up. Heat the mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes on very low heat until the shea butter and mango butter have completely dissolved. Then go ahead and stir in your BTMS and continue letting that dissolve for another 10 to 15 minutes. Once the BTMS has completely melted and heated up, go ahead and pour the BTMS oil mixture into the aloe vera, stirring with a whisk occasionally until it's combined. Now that the mixture is combined and hot, let's go ahead and go to our mixer and begin the process of mixing and cooling down for a thicker lotion feel. You're going to pulsate this mixture for another 3 to 5 minutes and then let the mixture cool down for another 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, go ahead and whip it again and you'll notice that your mixture has become thicker. After that time, go in with your Optiphen Preservative and add in 0.25 grams of Optiphen, and then go in with whatever essential oils that you want to use to scent this with. I'm going to use lemon and rosemary, and again, I'm probably using 20 to 30 drops of each. Blend it for the final time to combine all the ingredients, and then pour out and set it off to the side. Now you want this mixture to set for a minimum of 12 to 14 hours for it to go ahead and thicken and expand to its natural thickness. I did this at night, so in the morning I woke up and my moisturizer is very soft, you guys, and fluffy. I just want to know, if you do have bubbles in your mixture, go ahead and tap that mixture against your surface and it will cause the air bubbles to release, and you'll still have an amazing soft and light and fluffy mixture. Now this mixture is even a little bit lighter than the one I used on my skincare video because that one was a bit oily, but this one, you guys, is perfect. It is perfectly combined for our dry skin. As you can see here, it completely melts into your skin and is great for your face, your neck, and I do add it to my eczema spots, as this has amazing healing and moisturizing properties. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. But that's it for this easy DIY video. If you want to see more videos like this, please thumbs up this video and let me know. And I'll see you next time. Bye.